And that used to be true. Apple makes the most cash flow of all the US stock. Of all the stock in the world, Apple makes the most cash flow. I think because sometimes I don't look at the absolute number, right? We're looking at the valuation and then the profitability. So it's a percentage, not the absolute cash flow. But last week I looked at the absolute cash flow and even I was quite surprised. Okay. So Apple makes about $120 billion a year in cash flow.